Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say they are drinking kefir. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Let me know in the comments below if you like kefir. Today we continue learning the verb to drink. Keep in mind that there is no difference between they drink and they are drinking in Russian. If you want to say they are drinking, in Russian we say они пьют, where они is they and пьют is are drinking. And altogether it's они пьют. In Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's spell the word они. The first letter is O and it's unstressed and it's pronounced as A, then goes N and I. And altogether it's они. Try saying it with me. Они. Let's spell the word пьют. The first sound is P, then we have soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have P, then we have U and T. And altogether it's пьют. Пьют. So far you've learned how to say they are drinking in Russian. They is они and are drinking is пьют. And all together we have они пьют. Do you remember what is Russian for they? Они. Excellent. What about are drinking? Пьют. Well done. And the last new word for today is kefir. Kefir. Let's spell the word kefir. The first sound is K, then we have E, F, I, and R. And all together it's kefir, with a stress on the last syllable. So far you learned how to say they are drinking kefir. They is они, are drinking is пьют, and kefir is kefir. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Они is they, пьют is are drinking, kefir is kefir. Они пьют, пьют, кефир, кефир. Они. Do you know where the other они is? Well done. Пьют. Do you remember where the other пьют is? Excellent. Кефир. Кефир. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say they are drinking kefir. They is они, are drinking is пьют, and kefir is kefir. And here is your bonus tip. In Russia, you can try kefir's cousin Ryazhenka. Ryazhenka is not as sour as kefir and has a creamy color. It's made from fermented baked milk that has been kept warm for a number of hours. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.